Hello, my name is Charles Severance. It's my first time coming to PyOhio. Some of you may have known me because of Pycon for Everybody, the world's most successful popular course taught on Coursera. You also may have seen me online at www.pycon.com. I'm a University of Michigan professor, and I also am the leader of the Sakai Open Source Learning Management System project. And if you're sick and tired of giving all your data to large billion-dollar corporations of all your students, get a hold of it. So one of the things we do in the Sakai project is we have a mascot. We call it the Sakiger. It's a big stuffed, ugly baby tiger. And I like car races, so I decided that I would make a race car based on the Sakiger. So I made 2 Dodge Neons with little ears, and they're really cute. And we drive around, have a lot of fun. And so that's why you see at the end of most of my talks, you see this little video and this little music that I'm playing. And it's also, the number of my race car is also the unlock code for my current C course, C programming for everybody. 42 is my car number. And I race in a racing series called the 24 Hours of Lemons, which is characterized by having fun, not being aggressive or competitive. It's just about fun, including we're supposed to wear cool costumes when we do. So we built our third Neon. We decided that the third Neon was going to be an edgier car. So we put a ton of work into the engine. I don't want to tell you how much money got wasted in this engine. It has parts that were actually built by the factory in 1997 to make it super nasty. So as this car got more and more impressive and sounded cooler and cooler, we started thinking about the Dodge Viper, which is one of the most dangerous and powerful production cars ever made in the world. And so we're like, oh man, we got a little Neon, it's a Dodge, and so we ought to think about the Dodge Viper. So we decided to repaint our car with blue with white stripes, just like the Dodge Viper. But then we didn't really want to do a Viper. That's a Viper. We wanted to Dodge something a little less tough. So I hired some graphic artists and I said, I would like you to take the Viper logo plus the Pycon logo and create a logo that is a fusion of the Viper and the Pycon logo. And these are the two they came up with. One on the left, one on the right. How many people like the one on the left better? How many people like the one on the right better? Okay, I like the one on the left better because it looks more like an evil Python logo rather than the Dodge Viper logo with the word Python. But that was the one everyone else chose on my racing team. Also, a month or so back at the Pie Ladies auction, I paid way too much money for a cardboard cutout of Guido Van Rossum. So I thought, okay, I'm going to combine the Dodge Python with the cardboard cutout of Guido Van. I wanted to make it look like he was driving the car, because it's Python. But instead, I made really big stickers of Guido Van Rossum with stuck Dodge Python. Big stickers of Guido Van Rossum on the car. And the number's still 42. I don't remember, so here we go. The other thing is I made costumes. I bought everybody.
Crazy morning. Yeah. My name's Terry. Rex Bonham.
You grew hair? You grew hair?
Yeah, I did. I'm starting to like having hair.
So I also have my lady shirt. So we raced this little car for 2 days in Chicago, featuring Guido Van Rossum and the Dodge Python, and I have stickers if you want Dodge Python stickers. I'll give you 30 seconds back. No. No. You do not want to know how much I spent on that car.